Budget report. A budget report is a document that provides an overview of a company's financial performance, focusing on its revenues, expenses, and cash flows during a specific period. You can access this report from Accountants area, Reports, Management Reports, Budget report. You can select the budget. You can view report. You can view the GL account. You can view month, and you can view the budgeted values. You can view the totals, each account total, and you can view total sales, total cost of sales, gross profit, net profit or loss before tax, income tax, and net profit or loss after tax. If you want to view 0 items, you can check this option and refresh. Then you can view GL accounts with 0 budgeted values. If you uncheck this option, system will not display 0 budgeted values. You can export this report to PDF, Excel, or CSV. You can print or email this report. You can export this report to PDF, CSV, Excel, or these formats. You can print or email this report.